while we're still here, guys, we love all the comments.
Yeah, keep the comment thick.
Yep, love them. Even the plate itself is heavy and it looks great. Well presented.
You know what I love
The
about
actual
it?
dining dish.
Yeah. You know what I love about both dishes? Is generally there's a hero on a dish.
Yeah.
Generally. But between the beef and the chips, obviously chips are chips, but they are good chips. And the beef is amazing.
Your steak is top quality.
Yeah. We've been spoiled here.
Absolutely. We always get spoiled. Yeah, this part fucking on point, John.